In this video, I will show you how to use Generative Fill by Adobe to add, remove objects in photos using AI. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Adobe Firefly now has a new Generative Fill tool which you can use to add and remove objects from photos using AI. You just select a region and then intelligently replace it with something else. You just need to define what you want and it will do the rest. Log into Firefly and then launch the Generative Fill tool from the main dashboard. It has a simple interface. Now, upload a photo that you'd like to manipulate using AI. After the photo has been uploaded, mark the region using the Add tool where you want to add a new object. Now, specify in the text prompt what you want to add. Click Generate and wait for a few seconds. The specified region in the image will be replaced with the new object that you have specified using AI. It automatically blends the object in the photo so that it doesn't look odd. Similarly, you can mark other regions and then you can add a new object. The process is the same and is very simple to follow. Now, in this way, you can use Adobe Firefly's Generative Fill tool to intelligently edit photos using AI. You can add new objects in photos and graphics. You can remove and replace backgrounds and take the traditional photo editing to the next level. Feel free to go through other videos on our channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.